Bitch, I'm magnificent.
Big man, I'm in that bag, chasing that cat. These niggas big man, I'm in that bag, chasing this cat. These niggas big man.
Welcome back in Magic Gang. Today I decided to go get me some African food, but y'all know I had to come stop at my spot.
Hey Bobby, look, I'm American.
I think I'll use my credit card. Do you guys have anything non-dairy?
Yeah, I had to go to my spot. Y'all don't even know who that is. Don't even worry about that over there. Back there doing. Come on with these 18 tacos. Maybe we can do that challenge. See who eat the most tacos. Taco challenge. Say y'all, why does it always take a person at least hour or something when you're going to go do something? Get food, everything, it take at least an hour. People always gotta stop and do other shit instead of just doing what you're supposed to be doing, bro. It kills me, gang. You buying this taco shop? We 50-50 over here. We 50-50 over here. Got your 250, babe? 250? She ain't got her 250. I guess I need both these in, huh? You got your 250? Oh, shit. Get this egusi soup. That's what it's called, egusi. Y'all tell me if I'm not saying it right. Appreciate ya. Oh yes, Lord. Oh, where the meat at in this hole? Boy, this taco feels small. Damn, gang. That taco, that shell, it's all broken up already. Damn. Get that shit. Shit all broke up already. Always trying to do something, bro. Always trying to do something. Get back on it, I guess. Alright, y'all, we have made it to the stove. You don't want to be in my video? We made it to the egusi. Look at it, dropping iPhones and stuff. We have made it to the African village. I'll be right back, brother. Yeah, we made it to the African village. We about to eat some of that. Some of this. Where we going, y'all? They jamming too, man. So I'm gonna have to mute this part because I don't want to get copyrighted like I did in my last video. place. I was gonna record on there, but they had too much music going on. I want to get copyrighted. Ooh, this shit finna go. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot and fresh. We got our rices. What's that, a goosey? Is that a goosey? Is that a goosey right there? Yeah, man. Stay tuned to the new bang. Watch out, Bella. She said, what's that? What's that African stuff I smell? This stuff hot. Yeah, y'all. So y'all gotta try something. It ain't nothing new, but so you gotta try something different. Next we'll try Indian food. We'll try Indian food next, y'all. Ain't nothing on that one. Yeah, y'all. Get back with y'all when it's time to do that milk. Man, you gotta slap that thing, right? Slap that poo-poo. Yeah. See, I need you to be quiet, man. My girl didn't know you over there. Just chill, man. Yeah, that's the practice shop right there. Gotta get home. Gotta get to your crib, y'all. Oh, I gotta call you. I'm gonna go home and eat my food. Call you Uber. Welcome back, MAG gang. I went to the African store, not the African store, but the African restaurant. And well, it's Thai Casa right here. I got my, this is my wife food. I don't know what that is. But that's that. I got, what is this? This is that rice. That rice stuff. Don't mind my kids in the background if you hear them. That's the rice. They ain't never argued because they don't ate that crawlies. What is this? It's that goosey. That goosey. You see that? It's a goosey. Okay. Look at this. Mine right here, though. I've been waiting on this. I woke up thinking about this African food. And I said, I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna move this rice, y'all. It's kind of in my way. Man, I'm gonna at my table. But,
shit is not good.
That's not good. Huh? This shit smell like a zoo.
Baby.
No bullshit, y'all. Yes, it smell like a zoo. So which one? So this is yours that you already opened up?
Yeah.
You gonna wrap that back up then, y'all. But I heard you gotta smack it. You smack the fufu for good luck. That's not it? Huh? Ooh, that fufu hot. We just got this like an hour ago. It's still burning up. Okay, you got it. Okay, you got it. You gotta smack that thing, right? Smack that thing, brother. You wanna smack it? Smack that thing. Woo! Alright, y'all, let's try this. Let's try this real quick, y'all. I wonder what this is made out of. Y'all comment down below if y'all tell me what this. So they usually have a bowl of water that they do with their hands. The hands in. Damn, move with the weight. So you gotta roll it up like this. Roll it. So basically you playing with your food a little bit. Yeah, this shit smell like foam, y'all. You gotta get messy though.
Animal trash.
Have you ever went to a farm and smelled that smell? That smells the same taste.
No.
I'm telling you. Come smell this fufu.
No.
Come smell this. I'm telling you, taste it. Say yeah, I can eat this, but I can't do that. I can do the fufu.
And see, the last okra soup wasn't like that. It was more slimy. You know?
But this shit smells. It's like fun. No, this.
Okay, okay.
Come here. Come smell this.
Okay.
Babe. Come smell this shit.
No. Damn, eat your food.
Who got in there, babe? Huh? Yeah, this here good. This here good though. Spicy. Spicy yet satisfying. Got a bone. What's this, a tooth? Is this a fucking tooth? Me too. Tell me there ain't no tooth in my food.
What kind of soup?
Babe,
What?
tell me this ain't no tooth. Look at that, y'all. Tell me there ain't no tooth. A goat tooth.
I don't know what that look like, so I don't know. Is this a bone?
It's a bone. Feel that. Feel like teeth.
Okay.
Feel it.
I want to.
Somebody at the door? Yeah, they just slaughtered his ass right in the back. It's just like I say it's real deal Holyfield. That's that goosey. Huh? Goosey? It's good. I know it's here. Yeah, they just slaughtered his ass. He's fresh. He's fresh and he. Yeah, it's good. No, not that fufu, y'all. So, y'all watch me eat. No love from the streets. Anybody know what time is it? What time is it? What time?
It's
Go look over there. Me They not on yet, y'all. You try the fufu? Yeah, I ain't tried this before. Try the fufu.
Yeah, you tried that.
Yeah, you did.
It's nasty. Get this, put it in there, and that's nasty.
Yeah, smell this. You smell it. What does it smell like?
Sardines.
No.
It smells like sardines.
You don't smell like a phone?
What?
Like a phone? They just killed him. Who was there?
What?
They killed him right in front of us. They killed him right in front of us and slaughtered him and made him into a food. Oh, it took so long.
Wait, it's not you speed on it? Where you going? Pow! No, it's freezing, bro. How did I die? I can't see if it works.
What?
Sit again?
Go see. It should is USB.
You say it's
Yeah, y'all, that shit good.
Mama!
Hey, I'm doing a whole video. Y'all be quiet.
You should get in the bed that phone.
Huh?
You should get in the bed that phone.
That's a tiny phone, honey.
What phone?
Got a tiny got a new case, so I saw it.
Now, what do you do with this? I know what to do, bro. What are you asking?
Drink. You see my challenge? Yes, you was. I told you.
That was both of them.
You was too.
Who?
Yeah, I know I know you. I
No,
know.
no, this has to.
No, I
You
know
have to
you.
be
I told you.
trying to open your challenge. Yeah, that's supposed to get them because y'all was never seen. Ooh.
So that means you gotta get it too.
Nah, we took it from her. Yeah, what she had.
Oh.
We had a whole handful, so we all got some. I told her I wouldn't tell her too. But this shit busting, y'all. I like this.
That's good, guys.
Try it. Come on. Come on. Just spoon something. Yeah.
Now, did they scream when they killed him?
Nope. They shot him in the head with a little thing. And he fell down.
What is in there?
You good? You don't like that?
No.
Oh, they ain't got no seed.
They like broccoli.
You like broccoli?
Yeah. They like broccoli with cheese. Yeah, but it's spicy.
Spicy broccoli cheese. Bro, this shit, I don't know what it's doing to me. But that is my favorite dish by that. The okra goat soup, y'all. I highly recommend it. Well, yes, I'm eating with my hands. And nothing but salt and pepper and water won't do. And actually makes it fun. Makes your food feel fun to eat. You try that thing, yeah, we turn it to the side and hit the thing and it freezes.
It froze.
And then,
It's so fast.
a little spicy though. Hey y'all. I'm finna get me a but y'all seen my other video. I'm gonna wife a turtle. I'm going to get him a bigger tank. Tank is too small, I think, for him. I tell you, this shit smell like a farm. I tell you, it just smell like some cows and horses. All this bone. Be careful.
How you chew it? Or you just swallow it?
What?
When you eat it with the thing, you chew or you
I
swallow?
chew my food. Now noodles I might not, but salad. Yeah, until I be. Like I said, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to go do some scary pranks next.
Put a glove on. Drop them chickens in that grease.
What are you doing?
Using the restroom.
All right, y'all. I think I'm done. Come pause this. Like I always say, man, MAG game. Get with it, get lost.
Get up.
Yeah.